Excellency, you sponsored a mass wedding for the people of Alani State, Your Excellency, and there has been a backlash from the media. What do you have to say about it?
I'm not aware. Some of the women came with the lashes on their back. If the women came with the lashes on their back, you report to the commissioner of the women.
Yes.
So that we know what we do to them. And make sure that their lashes on their front.
Yes. Your Excellency, that is not what I am talking about. I'm talking about the critics from the media, what people are saying about it.
Oh. Well, when it comes to the criticism from the media, it's something that we are used to from time immemorial. Because you cannot please everybody. This is part of the promises that I made to the people before I became the governor. That's when I become the governor, I'm going to spend the billions to give them a lot of wives. And that is what we did. And of course, that's even part of our culture, our religion, and our tradition. As a Muslim, you are entitled to 4 wives. So what is your consider? What is your problem?
Your Excellency, it's true. I myself happen to be a Muslim, and the Quran teaches that a man can have more than one wife, but only on the condition that he's able to provide for them.
Well, so what's the issue here? Women, you know, from the study, it's like a SIM card. Like when you have a phone, like this phone you have.
Yes.
You use SIM card, you can buy, you want to browse, you use MTN. Some people use MTN and Glo. Some people use MTN, Glo and Airtel. And some people who stay in some remote place where there's no, they put a Starlink.
Yes.
Women are like telephone network. If you are browsing MTN, it's slow, you move to Glo. If you are blowing Glo and it's browsing Glo, it doesn't work, you switch to the other network.
Your Excellency, don't you think it's a bit ridiculous to compare women to SIM card and networks?
I'm not comparing the two. The two is different thing. I'm saying a telephone network is like women. It's a metaphor. No, it's a similar.
You mean similarly?
It's whatever it is, but I'm giving you example. This is the last time I'm going to grant any interview that will explain myself. Because I know what I'm doing, my people are happy with me. Go and ask them, my people. Everybody is happy to adding more women to their collections. And I will leave you with this. So you don't come against me again. This is the last interview. The statistics study in the University of Oklahoma